Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Summative Test Reviewer for English 5, Quarter 3, Week 1 to 2. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which element of a story tells where and when the events happen? A. Plot. B. Setting. C. Character. D. Conflict. The correct answer is letter B. Number 2. The events that happen in order from beginning to end make up the story's blank. A. Resolution. B. Plot. C. Climax. D. Theme. The correct answer is letter B. Number 3. What connects ideas or sentences smoothly so that the story flows clearly? A. Transitions. B. Titles. C. Endings. D. Paragraphs. The correct answer is letter A. Number 4. Before the bell rang, Carla remembered her first day in grade 5. This sentence shows a blank. A. Flashback. B. Prediction. C. Cause. D. Dialogue. The correct answer is letter A. Number 5. What word shows cause and effect in this sentence? The parade was cancelled because of heavy rain. A. Parade. B. Cancelled. C. Because. D. Rain. The correct answer is letter C. Number 6. The part of the story where the problem begins to unfold is called the blank. A. Beginning. B. Conflict. C. Resolution. D. Ending. The correct answer is letter B. Number 7. Which word best maintains coherence? The pupils cleaned the classroom. Blank, they arranged the chairs properly. A. Meanwhile. B. Afterwards. C. Suddenly. D. Although. The correct answer is letter B. Number 8. Which of the following shows a logical sequence? A. The teacher checked the test before giving it. B. The pupils submitted papers after answering. C. The class went home, then started the lesson. D. After lunch, the pupils arrived in the morning. The correct answer is letter B.
Number 9. The climax of a story refers to blank. A. The main problem. B. The turning point. C. The setting. D. The ending.
The correct answer is letter B.
Number 10. What is needed to make a story coherent? A. Exciting title. B. Logical order of events. C. Many adjectives. D. Long dialogues.
The correct answer is letter B.
Number 11. Which sentence shows a simile? A. The sky is a blanket of colors. B. The trees whispered softly. C. The kite flew like a bird. D. Laughter filled the room.
The correct answer is letter C.
Number 12. Her voice is music to my ears. What figure of speech is used? A. Simile. B. Metaphor. C. Hyperbole. D. Onomatopoeia.
The correct answer is letter B.
Number 13. Which line shows personification? A. The mountain stood proudly at sunrise. B. The boy ran fast. C. The shell was smooth. D. The lantern was bright.
The correct answer is letter A.
Number 14. Which sentence uses hyperbole? A. I waited for 100 years. B. The leaves fell gently. C. The air felt cold. D. The stars were visible.
The correct answer is letter A.
Number 15. Buzz, clang, and whoosh are examples of A. Hyperbole. B. Onomatopoeia. C. Simile. D. Literal description.
The correct answer is letter B.
Number 16. Which sentence shows a literal meaning? A. The rain danced on the roof. B. The clock shouted loudly. C. The stone was cold. D. The wind carried secrets.
The correct answer is letter C.
Number 17. What is the purpose of using figurative language? A. To make sentences longer. B. To hide the meaning. C. To create a clearer and more creative picture. D. To replace all describing words.
The correct answer is letter C.
Number 18. Which sentence compares two things without using like or as? A. The clouds float like cotton. B. The road is as smooth as glass. C. The man is a lion when protecting his family. D. The water sparkled like diamonds.
The correct answer is letter C.
Number 19. Which best shows the effect of onomatopoeia in a sentence? A. It adds loud, sudden, or realistic sound. B. It makes sentences longer. C. It compares two items. D. It gives human traits.
The correct answer is letter A.
Number 20. Which shows figurative, not literal meaning? A. The candle melted slowly. B. The hallway is a river of rushing students. C. The blanket felt soft. D. The cup was full.
The correct answer is letter B. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false.
Number 21. Story coherence means the ideas connect smoothly from start to finish. This statement is true. Number 22. Characters are the time and place in the story. This statement is false. Number 23. Then, after that, and finally are examples of transition words. This statement is true. Number 24. A flashback tells events that happen after the main story. This statement is false. Number 25. Cause and effect connectors help readers understand relationships. This statement is true. Number 26. Literal language is the opposite of figurative. This statement is true. Number 27. Imagery helps readers imagine. This statement is true. Number 28. Metaphors and similes have the same structure. This statement is false. Number 29. Figurative language expresses ideas creatively. This statement is true. Number 30. Onomatopoeia adds sound effects. This statement is true.
Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.